Hey everybody, Marcus Bird here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly create and share stories using a tool called Sutori. Sutori is a collaboration storytelling tool, completely online and web-based. So let's begin. So here is the website itself. It used to be called history.com, a weird spelling of the word history, but they've rebranded themselves in the last year. Now it's Sutori. And let's check this out. I'm going to log in with Google. Obviously, you can sign up with your own email account, Facebook, LinkedIn, whatever the case may be. And so there you go. So I'm going to quickly share what a finished Sutori looks like, a story. This is about World War One. This is a story where it has maps, text, videos, audio, multimedia, kind of all throughout here. So it's a really neat little story of and a neat way to share and present the events and important details of World War One. This is available to you in the Sutori market where you go and explore. And if you, depending on what you're looking for, there's all kinds. You can search for it, find it. If you're looking for World War One, you come up with. So I do that, and I come up with this one. But there's some things in there that I didn't like, so I wanted to change it. So I started there with its template, and then started changing a few things, retitled it, changed the banner image, all of those things. So it's really easy to use, really easy. But what's neat for a teacher, anytime that someone starts it with a copy, it lets you know that. So even this one, this is a mine, but it's a copy of events of World War One. And so by clicking on these, I can see here, that's this profile of the person. But clicking on here, I can see the original Sutori. So that's a powerful tool for the educator themselves, that they're able to see, where the students start from and where they finish, so they're not just completely stealing someone else's work. So that's a really powerful tool. What I'm going to do now is kind of jump in there and show you how to create your own story. You're not copying someone else, so you created a new story right here, and I've already made one. I'm going to quickly share a couple of things. So to add banner image, you can upload it from your own desktop, or you can do this. Now this is a website called Pexels that I use to get stock images. So I'm going to get the image address, and I'm going to paste it right here. Paste and then upload, and I can reposition it if I like, and then hit upload, and your image is uploading. Bam, there it is. I can add caption and image credits if I like. Okay, so here's how you use the tool. So Sutori, you got this little line here where everything's following the line to tell the story. And so if I wanted to add an image, say this time I want to go to my desktop, I want to upload from there. And I've got this nice little image of my nieces holding hands with my daughter. So I can add a caption there. Family is important. Okay, so something like that. And so got that there. And then one other thing that you can do is you can make this full size if I wanted it bigger, or if I don't, if it's not such an important detail, I can just leave it there. So if I wanted to add something else, I want to add an image, same thing. Click on it, and same thing is true if I wanted to go to YouTube or go to any of the others, then all I'm going to do is just click on those click on the different places, and I can do a link, or I can do the image itself. And so just do a quick little image, and puts it on my line. So what's neat here, the next feature I'll show you, is how you can rearrange. So if it gets out of line, I can rearrange, and so that these things just drag that dot past the first dot, and they change their positions. Obviously, to be able to remove or to highlight, same thing. Now, what I found really, really cool is, so if I had a video that I wanted to use, I can link the video in the description. So all I'm going to do is start type, and then I can link that to anything that I want. a document, an article, a website, a video, an audio source, whatever the case may be. So it's a really, really powerful tool. Last couple of things that I'll show and we'll be done is that you can obviously share it. You can collaborate and add users to work on the same exact story together. You can print and copy and delete. So the other things that's really, really powerful, let me go to the published one here, is that if I wanted to share the entire thing, I can do that with a link. I can do it with Google Classroom, Facebook, any of the tools that you might use in your classroom. I can embed and put it on a class website. But what's also really cool is if I don't want to do the entire story, if I want to just do a box of it, we can do that as well. So some really, really powerful tools to help students work together, collaborate, and create stories in a really interesting and dynamic way.